This is my second ever flight with my DJI Mini 5 Pro in the Hope Valley in Castleton where I live. So you can see here I'm just doing quite a bit of a loop around Castleton. We're just coming over the top of Peveril Castle and Cavedale down to the left, looking over towards Mamtor, and below there you can see Castleton itself. I have improved the colour quality of this a little bit post editing, but it's not far off the original. So just really getting used to a bit of the gimbal control there and moving left and right. A lot to learn yet in terms of making the movements smoother, etc. But really impressed so far with this drone. Really easy to fly. I've got the RC3N controller, so it uses my mobile phone. Not ideal, but a bit of a tight arse. Here we are looking towards Winnets Pass, straight ahead of us there in the snow. You've got the beautiful Mamtor and looking along the Great Ridge, and right in the background you can just see Grimesbrook Knoll. And then just come along and just moving sideways now and panning round to the right, looking at Backtor and then Lewes Hill. That's called the Great Ridge, quite a famous walk. So again, then moving around a bit more, you can see the edges in the background there, and then Win Hill. We're really just getting used to the basic controls here. This is probably about 800 metres away from where I was based, just on a bit of public land. So again, just trying the basic forward and movements here, just coming over towards Hope in the distance there. But yeah, really impressed with it so far. Like I say, really easy to use. I've got the Fly More package, so I've got the extra batteries and the ND filters, which I've not used yet. Here we are heading towards the quite infamous Hope Cement Works. You've probably seen that on various TV ads for Channel 4. Love it or hate it, it's a bit Marmite. And then I'm coming back, so I'm just down here on this road. You might see me when we go a bit closer, just above Pindale Quarry. So it's got a bit of height, so I get a good signal. I say on that whole flight, I had full RC signal all the way around. And then I've just done a bit of a 360 pan here. I know people hate those shots every first time I does it, and I'm a first timer, so there you go. But yeah, some stunning scenery. We had a light dusting of snow there. But yeah, really impressed with the camera quality, both stills and video. Absolutely superb. I'm going to be using this basically for my hiking footage. So here I've done a 2x zoom on the Breeden cement quarry, which produces about 15% of the UK cement. We're just trying to zoom out. I know it's a digital zoom, so it's not brilliant, but still pretty reasonable quality there. And then as we spin round, I'll back to 1x, a bit of a snip there, you see, but this is the old Pindale Quarry here. So I just, again, doing some basic flyby overhead, just to sort of get used to the controls of the aircraft. This is quite an area for people racing cars and 4x4s, so you can see quite a few off-road tracks there and donuts and, and whatever, which is a bit of a shame because it's a lovely little quarry and dale. No longer in use, that particular quarry. And then we're just coming down to the bottom of Pindale now. Just getting used to some of the gimbal controls, etc, etc. And then I did try some of the focused auto tracking. So I think this one is Spotlight. So you just basically set up you as an object, and then it'll just go to the left or right, and it'll keep you in the centre of the frame. Some stunning shots in the background there, so you can see where I am, basically right there. And then I just tried a bit of a lower level flying, not low, I didn't go into sports mode. I had a bit of an incident where when I was landing, it sort of didn't land properly and went skipping across a bit of tarmac. So I'm just taking my time at the moment. I'm sure I'll get there. So just trying a bit of lower level flying, probably maybe a couple of foot above the ground. So we're just going to give that a blast up and down a bit. But yeah, so this is where we are, just skimming along the top of these humps, which I think was probably an old working of some description. And then just I'll turn around in a moment and come back the other way. So I just really got to get used to the smooth movement. That's where I need to practice, I think, and some of the more cinematic cinematic shots. It's a bit clunky at the minute, but it's only the second time I've been out, so what do you expect? So then just coming back, no, not a great idea to film back into the sun like that. I don't know, that's a bit of a rookie error too. Again, just coming back towards myself there over these bumps, just to try and get used to flying at lower levels. And then just one final panoramic shot of the Great Ridge, a real famous walk in the Peak District. So I hope you enjoyed that. If you like hiking and stuff like that, then like and subscribe to the channel. I do a lot of hiking and wild camping in the Peak District.
On tour where the winds still roar, he stands with pride like the hills before. Hammer in hand with a heart so pure, the Peak District Viking, nature's